I'm offshore Hord. Welcome to Java tutorial. In our last tutorial, we stopped at comparing two strings, and today we'll be talking about two things majorly, which is we'll be learning what we mean by string buffer, and we'll be working with few string buffer methods. I hope you follow carefully. So very fast, go to your source packages, right click, new source packages, right click, new Java class, and we're naming it string buffer class. So the string buffer is a part of regular Java string, but now string buffers are used when we have to make necessary changes to strings. Instead of going to edit your string and doing this and that, we just use a string buffer class and we add necessary changes. So to make a string buffer, first of all, please follow carefully so we don't make mistakes. Okay, here we go. Now, to make a string buffer, just like every regular data type in Java, the integer we've talked about, character we've talked about, and string which we started earlier, it's the same thing. Just say string buffer. Let's call this Bucky because no, I think I prefer RAM over here. RAM equals new buffer. Sorry, new string buffer. And what string do we want here? RAM is a female. RAM is a male sheep. Now the string buffer allows us have as many strings as possible. So here we go. Next we're going to say system dot out dot print line, and in here we're going to type RAM. So right click and run your code. Let's see what we have. Now before that comes up, I would like to tell you that when using string buffers, you try as much as possible to avoid wrong code, or else generally in Java, try as much as possible to avoid entering the code the wrong way. So here we say RAM is a male sheep. Technically it's the same thing if we had said string RAM equals new string RAM, or we just said string RAM equals RAM is a male sheep. But now string buffer allows you edits. So we'll be visiting the first method in string buffer, which is append. That means you're adding another string. This is what I mean. Append. Now this means you're adding another string to the end of this string instead of doing ram string, instead of doing ram plus blah blah blah, or saying string ram plus dash. All we just have to do is come down here and say system, no, we'll say string rams equals ram dot append. Append what? What are we appending to RAM? We'll just say that has ones, and next string buffer rams equals ram.append. Then next to say system dot out dot print ln rams, and right click, run file. And here we have ram is a male sheep. Ram is a male sheep that has horns. So that is what happens to the string buffer. Now, if you don't mind, I would like to take this off. I want you to notice something. Run file. Ram is a male sheep. Ram is a male sheep that has horns. So with the string buffer, instead of using a string buffer again and saying this equals this plus this, like in using regular strings, you would have to add it to it in the output without changing it, or you have to change it before adding it to the output. Here you can just simply add it without creating a new string variable. I hope you understand. So simply say ram string buffer dot append what you want to add to it, and that is all. So I hope you learned something. See you in the next class. Have a nice day.